want to show you some ways of reducing pain in your neck or shoulders that you may be having, especially at this time when we are sitting a lot, watching our screens, even when we're working out, trying to look at the screen. There's a lot of tension on the neck, right? So great ways to really reduce some of that tension is to relax the muscle. And my savior for that, as always, are these tune-up therapy balls. So if you have been to Loya Yoga, you most likely have a pair of these. If not, you can order them online, or you can use a tennis ball. Don't use a golf ball or a lacrosse ball. It tends to be a little bit too hard. So we don't want to cause more injury around the muscle. We want to relax it. So this is not stretching, this is not breaking up. It's trying to relax the tension in the muscle. So start by lying down on your back, knees are bent up. You're going to place the balls firstly at the base of your skull. It's called the base of your occiput. So right underneath your hairline, you're going to lie down and just first let the weight of your head, the weight of your neck, form a compression force on the muscle, and that induces the relaxation response, right? It's the parasympathetic system we're trying to turn on. So just taking 4 to 5 deep breaths here and feeling, you may already feel a release right there. If you want to try some gentle movements, you can begin nodding your head yes and no, or side to side, and you may get to a spot or that knot, and you can hold there, and again take 4 or 5 deep breaths right there in this spot. The other way is just making figure of 8 motions with your chin, going one way and then reversing it the other. Right, so you're going to spend at least a minute or two just working on this. And when you're done, just take everything out from underneath you. Let your head just rest on the floor or on the mat. Again, 4 to 5 deep breaths. Just appreciating a new position or some release. Working on your on your shoulders. So this time we just want to take the balls out of the bag, or just one tennis ball at a time. We're going to work on our upper trapezius, right? Another area that we tend to hold a lot of tension in. So placing the ball right there at the top of the shoulders. And again, just firstly holding, letting the compression, the weight of your shoulders slowly release the hold. My knees are bent, my feet are flat on the floor. Nice deep breaths. If you want a little bit more, you can begin just moving your arms against the floor or raising them up, and imagine that you're steering a really big steering wheel side to side. You can begin lifting your hips, so like you're in a bridge pose. Press down into your feet, staying here for more pressure. Or something that feels really good is to move up and down. So you're rolling forward and back, pressing into the feet. And again, when you're done, take everything out from underneath you. 4 or 5 deep breaths just to appreciate if there is a release.